We love Camp Keystone.
We've been coming all 4 years that Camp Keystone has been going on at the Twin Mills camping place.
I love camping.
Well, I'm always a big fan of s'mores, and I think a lot of the kids are too. But this year, I think everybody, the perfect weather.
First year we were here, we got to see some owls when we were on one of the nature trails, so that was a lot of fun. She went fishing. She caught a fish for the first time. Some of the other years we've done canoeing, and this year we've been spending a lot of time at the lake and just playing frisbee down there and just having fun.
We had a good time last night. Everybody sitting around the fire and making s'mores and banana boats and just chatting and kind of seeing what everybody does and how long everybody's been together and what they do for fun.
People have had a really good time here. It's been great.
I got to give them credit for that. It's a very good cause.
Yeah, we can't, but not everybody does.
It's a weekend for us to have a lot of fun together. We don't always have that many sleepovers a year, so it's an opportunity to get to sleep over for 2 nights.
Keystone RV gives us 5 beautiful late model campers and provides those to us for 2 nights, the last weekend in June.
We invite all of our matches. This year we were really excited to be able to invite matches from St. Joe County and Big Brothers Big Sisters of Northeast Indiana for the day.
Keystone picks up the tab for everything, for the stay for the weekend, and provides dinner on Saturday night.
It's been cool. Usually I would be at home just chilling by myself or something, but hanging out with them, I go do stuff I would never usually do, try stuff I never usually try.
We basically match caring adult volunteers one-on-one with kids who just need a consistent, positive, caring friend in their lives to help them reach their full potential.
I think the exciting thing about this program is you get matched with a complete stranger. They try to match you with similar interests, but when we first met a little over 5 years ago now, she was 7 turning 8, we knew nothing about each other, and we've just over the years created a really great bond.
It just gives this kid a chance to get out with another adult, be a friend of that kid, and show that kid a whole different world they may not have otherwise had an opportunity to see.
It's nice to talk to somebody with them knowing they'll keep your secrets and stuff.
These kids have greater confidence in what they're doing. They're more caring, and they have more confidence in themselves because a big brother or big sister has taken them out and told them, I believe in you. You can do this.
You learn as much from them as they do from you.
Usually matches meet a couple times a month for a couple hours, so something like this would be kind of a bigger outing, but it can be as simple as just grabbing a bite to eat. It's just the consistency of being there and having someone that they can trust that they'll always have fun with that really makes an impact.
I try to encourage everybody to do something, mentor, and because if you change somebody's life even just a little bit, it's great.
We have 53 total what we call waiting littles, children begging to have someone be their big brother or big sister.
We look for not just big brothers and big sisters, that's what most people know, but we also have big couples and big families, which is really exciting. If you want to get involved, with your spouse or partner as a big couple, then you can both interact with a child, and that's really fun. And then the dynamic for a big family is you're kind of setting that example for your children.
Mentoring, it sounds like a big hard word. It's not. The biggest part of what we call mentoring is just showing up.
I really believe that every kid in Elkhart County can do better with a mentor, and we just want to be able to help as many people as we can, but we need people to volunteer.
He fits in so well, so well.
Thinking about becoming a mentor? Visit bbs.org/Elkhart/BeBig.